If your AdBlue light is on, or maybe flashing, yeah, that warning can get stressful real fast. Sometimes it even says, no start in a few miles. And now you're thinking something serious is wrong. But honestly, most of the time, it's not as bad as it looks. First thing, just check the simple stuff. Make sure the AdBlue tank actually has fluid in it. And I don't mean guessing. Open it, top it up fully, don't just add a little. These systems can be picky. If it's not filled enough, the warning won't go away. Now after you fill it, don't expect the light to disappear instantly. That's completely normal. Start the car, let it idle for a minute. Then take it for a short drive. Sometimes it needs a few minutes. Sometimes a couple of drive cycles. Before it finally clears itself. If the light is still there after that, then we're probably dealing with one of the common issues. Could be a sensor, very often the NOx sensor. Could be the AdBlue injector getting clogged. Especially if the car does a lot of short trips. Or sometimes, it's the tank itself. The pump inside can fail. And that's actually pretty common on some cars. Now if you want to try a reset, you can disconnect the battery for about 10 to 15 minutes. That can clear temporary glitches. But just keep in mind, if there's a real fault, the light will come back. The proper way is using a scan tool. Clear the code, and see what comes back. Because at the end of the day, this system is all about emissions. And it won't ignore a real problem for long. So yeah, start simple. Top it up, drive it, give it a little time. And if it's still there, then it's time to scan it and go a bit deeper. If it still doesn't go away after all that, just drop your car's make, model, and year in the comments. And I'll point you in the right direction. Show you exactly where to look next.